a very simple Delta bathroom shower set. Comes with this fairly nice 1.75 gallon per minute with silicone rubber nozzles that can be cleaned by rubbing it like that with a wet rag. With that shower head, includes this handle, which is fairly solid metal. Again, metal ferrule. And a metal escutcheon, a wall plate here. And nice matte arms of the shower head. Also comes with the valve unit, the ceramic valve unit, which this fits over. That comes through this, and then the handle attaches to this and turns it. Does not come with the roughen valve that has to be put in the garage or in the wall, and you'll need to buy that separately, but it's an easy install. It's a nice set, nice matte black, nothing real fancy about it, but just good Delta quality and easily installed. The only difficulty in this thing is going to be getting the, if you don't have the roughen valve in your wall, it's going to be putting that in. And, you know, that's just something you have to deal with any faucet. So